Hello everyone, welcome to Bonsai Den Haag. Today I'll be working with this Texas and I'm going to be showing to you the whole process of the first styling of this tree. So first of all, we're gonna see what are the possibilities, clean it up, this nursery stock, and I'm gonna show you a close-up of the tree, and I will get back to you once I have cleaned the tree. Here we can see the base of the tree. It has a very nice thick trunk. It's actually a double trunk, but I'm not sure if the second trunk is alive. It seems quite dead to me, so we're gonna see what part is alive, what we can use for it. This definitely needs to be done. As you can see, we have a lot of interior parts that are dying off, and we need to make sure the tree gets enough light inside, that it also grows. And that's why if we wait another year to do this, then we'll have a setback and have to a longer time before this can become a bonsai. So I already removed a lot of the foliage. I clean it a lot. This kind of material, it's quite overwhelming. It was neglected for a while, I think, and it's very difficult to make a decision. But one of the things that I'm considering is to make this the new leader, and this will be all dead wood. It's a quite straight section and it has no taper to it, so I think I will remove all this foliage here and make a deadwood feature, and I'll make this probably somewhere on this side the new front. As you can see, the third or fifth trunk is completely dead, and we'll make a nice deadwood feature as well. So next step will be make some critical decisions and see where it gets us. Right, now we are at the stadium that we can start putting the wire on. So I removed the top part of the tree and made a deadwood feature so far. I can work it later, also more elaborated on it, but for now I think it's good enough for now. and then I will start putting wire and making decisions on how the tree will take shape. I'll give you a close-up of the tree. So far, so I'll probably have the front somewhere here. So here we are at the end of the first styling. For now I have chosen this as a front, and I wired a lot of the branches, and as you can see there is a lot of stress that the tree undergo because we took a lot of foliage off, and right now the tree looks a little bit weak. And I talked also with a friend who has more experience with bonsai and this kind of trees, and he said to leave it alone for now. And he also gave the insight to might change the front. We have now this as the front, and as you can see it's a little bit flat, and to maybe change to this side. And I haven't wired this branch right here because probably I will be taking this branch off in the future, but I kept it on to try to keep the tree in good health, so has some extra foliage to help the tree recover. So in the near future we're gonna be taking this branch off and changing the front to this side. So the front will be more or less like this, and then we'll also be replacing the branches to this side. But for now it's a quite good result as the first iteration. So thank you for watching, and I see you next time in Bonsai Den Haag.